All right, here we are in this lovely home. We just did a big loft, one of our biggest. It has two different openings. So this is the ship's ladder. And then you come up here and there's a little portal to the big loft. And this is one of the sons, he's over there, but we won't disturb him. And then we had a little funky little modification here to the kitchen door. And they were totally okay with us cutting the doors, unusual. But then the door here is cut like this. And yeah, so then you open this door. And this is the loft. Underneath the loft, we have some lovely pre-finished plywood, and there's stained beams and joist work. This was all prefabbed in our shop, and then we came here and assembled it. We also gave them a new wall there. We'll talk about that in a minute. We gave them a desk and storage case, bookcase unit there. And then we did some finishing on the wall here. And there's a nice big loft fascia with a solid cherry railing. And then of course, the other way to get up in the loft, our famous cubby staircase. And this one, I wanted to make this nice. So I only had about 63 inches to work with here, but I like to always do a landing. So I had the landing kind of inset into the loft structure there. So it's kind of a kid's staircase. So this one's only 15.5 inches wide, but has a nice solid catalpa nosing, bull nose. Has a nice little railing here, stained in kind of a cherry color. So it sort of matches that color. Thank you, Stain Mini Wax. And then you have this cozy little loft up here with a nice ducting and yeah. So yeah, great client, great working with you guys. Thank you so much. And I think we're all cleaned up. Any commentary from the crew? Any guys want to say anything? All right.
Well done. Good job.
Yeah, good job. Good job. Good job, hermanos. Good job. All right. All right.